Singer Zubeen Garg will be cremated tomorrow with full state honours. In fact, the state government had declared a 3-day mourning till the 22nd of September, but it's been extended by another day for his cremation. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has revealed that the cause of death of the Assamese singer has now been officially confirmed as drowning. The singer died in a scuba diving accident in Singapore, where he was scheduled to perform at the 4th Northeast India Festival.
Even as thousands of people are paying their last tribute at the public tribute place in the Bhogeshwar Borua Sports Complex in Guwahati to Assam's biggest musical maestro Zubeen Garg, here near Sonapur locality on the outskirts of Guwahati, this piece of land is being cleared out. A massive work is going on in war footing, because this is where tomorrow Zubeen Garg, the cultural and social icon, would be laid to rest. His final rites will be held here. This is just adjacent to the national highway that links Guwahati to Upper Assam region, the region from where Zubeen Garg originally belongs. And you can see here, even here there is a sea of humanity. There's thousands of people, onlookers, looking at the massive construction work which is taking place here. The state government has only yesterday finalized this place, which is the government land where Zubeen Garg's last rites will be held, and therefore you can see here now construction workers are working overtime on a work footing so as to create a space where people can be accommodated. Also, given the fact that his last journey might actually see a record turnout, therefore the state government is also taking a lot of measures in terms of the regulation of traffic and in terms of the other facilities that would be required, because this last rites will be held with full state honors, so the protocols have to be followed here. But you can see here behind me, as my camera person is showing in this tracking shots, massive work continues in this location. This will be the site for his last rites, where later on a memorial in the memory of Assam's biggest cultural icon Zubeen Garg will be set up here. At this moment the work is going on a war footing, and this is the place where after his last rites a memorial will also come up. From Sonapur on the outskirts of Guwahati with campus and the Kulrabha, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.